Hello guys. What is this behavior? We are going for a trip, guys. International trip.
First international trip of Suchi.
Yeah.
Yay! Drum roll.
Wow. Okay, guys. So I am having rajma rice and she's having the subway. She's also having subway, but she's having the bread and she's having the wrap.
We both look like elder people, so they're like, okay, these people will not eat sushi.
I'm a
She
kid.
looks like a kid.
From which angle I am a kid? You guys are kid. I am the
Elder one here.
Yeah. I am the responsible one.
care of you.
Yeah, don't worry, Suchi.
She is getting her wisdom teeth and she can't have. But she's
I can
still
open my
having.
mouth.
Very good.
Yeah, come on. Yay! Yay!
Wow. Not that good. Okay.
Peace and bye.
I just started the vlog. Why are you ending it now? Want me to do a transition in this?
Yes.
I'm not doing that.
Hey, you can.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Keep the Sus Suchi, not Gucci, and we are going to my first international trip and my first sponsored trip and my first Bangkok trip and my somewhere we are going.
First girls trip.
It's first girls trip. I hope there's only girls.
No.
Yeah, we are in Bangalore airport. You call it Bangalore? Bangalore?
Yes.
Bengaluru airport. We are in Bengaluru. Namma Bengaluru airport.
Yeah.
Outfit that I wore from Trivandrum to here, and now we are gonna change into a freak outfit. So this is a free trip and a free outfit. A lot of free outfits that we are going to wear in this trip. My God, it is our sponsored first what trip? Some trip. Bangkok trip. We are going to Bangkok for 3 days and 3 nights. Yeah, 4 nights something. And we are going to some places that you're gonna watch in this vlog, in this stupid vlog that I just started because I got inspired from Chaitu and Varsha. And we are doing this. So watch my blabbering for next 3 days. Bye. Guys, you know one thing? I just shot a long video and I did not on it. Okay guys, again. So I started at 6:30 from Trivandrum. Stop shooting me.
Lame joke. Varsha just told she's not having a gun to shoot me. Okay, ignore. So I am talking ki I left Trivandrum at 7:30 something. I left. I packed my bags and I went to Trivandrum airport, and then I got a flight and it got delayed so bad. I think 1 hour or something, because it is Air India and it is always delaying. I don't know why it is always delaying for me. And I ate rice and rajma, and I wanted to have Subway too because this people. No, I did not. I had little bit because it is not good. God. So yeah, I did not have much because it was not that yummy. It was okay. Yeah, it is not yummy. It is okay. But I had little bit of rice only because my doctor told you are not supposed to have atta, maida or bread. So I am trying to. Yes, I am trying to avoid those food and trying to eat something rice. I don't know how long I can. Varsha and me will change our outfit because this is not the outfit we are going to wear in Bangkok, because the brand has given us some outfits that we are supposed to wear in Bangkok airport.
School girls, blue, white, and checks. So your sweater, come here. See. Same, but different. No money, no honey. Like anything dancing.
Hey, wait.
What was that?
It's back.
So show your tattoo. Wow. This. What is this, guys? Full twinning.
Do that.
Guys, this airport is so
Listen, we can do that. Bag, we send the bag.
Yeah. So nice. This is so nice, guys. So nice. Show my outfit, please. Hello, guys. So I changed into this brown outfit. You want to see my outfit? See. And there's more jewelries I'm going to wear when I reach Bangkok. So we are standing in front of the check-in, Indigo check-in. So after some times at 2, now it's 2 o'clock, and at 2:20 we are going to go inside, and there will be some questions they're asking. And Varsha told me, you should answer like this and answer like that, or else they'll not allow us to go to Bangkok. Shit. So I learned the name of the hotel, and I learned a lot of things. Swadika, Bangkok. Oh, we can go. Let's go. Guys, our immigration is done, guys. मेरा passport पे stamp डाला है, guys. My passport, it's inside my bag. I can't show you. The immigration, they asked me a lot of questions. So I'm the first one to go, and in my passport, it's the first stamp. So it's like they asked me where am I going? Did I book my hotel? What is the date? What is the name? And then to Chaitu, they asked ki. Are we friends from college or blah 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 like that? And then Chaitu told no, we met in Instagram. Then she asked to Varsha ki are you guys content creator? Did you guys meet in Instagram? Blah blah blah. So they tried to connect, like, are we scammers or not? But we are not. We are real people. So after that, we got the passport stamped, and then we came for the security check-in. So there, they stopped my bag, they stopped Chaitu's bag, they also stopped Varsha's bag. Mine because of the camera, this mic. Varsha's also because of the powder.
Only the powder.
Yeah, face powder also. But why face powder is not allowed? Okay, so the face powder, so we did not give anything, they did not take anything, and our bags are safe and it's with us. Safe. And we are also safe. So pretty, it feels so good to sit here. You also want to sit no? Yeah, it feels good. We shot a lot of content in this area. Oh my god, look at Varsha's tattoo, man. I can't stop staring at this.
Hey.
Wow, so cool and hot in the same time. Raitu shot a lot of content. We shot a lot of content here in this background. It looks so pretty, right? And now we are going to some separate different background to shoot more. What's the time? It's 3:30, 4:30. Oh, it's 3:55. We have lot of time. Oh my god. Chin. I have been here before. My first international trip, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe. Cute. I really thought it's real, but wow, that's so pretty. So cute. Your ears are so cute. Me with Anna. Come, Vashu. Vashu is now addicted. She wants to take the Anna home. Look at her. We are Anna fans. We are just observing the Anna. It's elephant. Guys, these girls are hungry and they want Starbucks. I don't want. I'm a very good girl. So we came to Starbucks. Anyway, I'm not going to see them have food, right? I have to sit with them and I have to have something. Yeah, now it's tracking. Yay!
Which is bodyguard.
See, both are in white.
Okay, bill pay ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Hello.
Chedu.
Hello.
Different type of hellos.
Yeah, chamak chalo.
Chamak chalo. Oh, she's shooting some videos.
Not disturbing her. I'm sorry.
Yes.
So we got our, what is this? Starbucks.
Starbucks. I don't like it. It's bitter.
Show me my lipstick.
I'm having a lot of back pain. I can't sit properly. Oof. I think I've been working and shooting for like last 2-3 days continuously and not getting sleep properly. And today, though, forget about the sleep, please, because what's the time again? It's 4:16 now, and I think 6:30 is our flight. After this, we'll go and see when the boarding starts and all. Look who's getting Starbucks. Oh my god, she serves also.
Americano with a sugar syrup.
Please sit beside me.
Why, you don't want sugar? You want me?
Sweetest sugar I have ever seen. Nasty jokes.
All cringe jokes.
We are fully straight though.
Yeah, of course. She have a boyfriend.
Yes, I do have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
Look at Arshika.
I don't have any idea what is happening here. Okay, bye.
Fog is happening, guys.
Yeah, fog chal raha hai guys, fog. So I was saying Bangkok, we have to go Bangkok and then again we have to wait there till some time because our check-in is at 2 o'clock and my back hurts so much. Yeah! Iced Americano with sugar syrup. Wow, feels so good. Guys, hey, this looks so pretty, huh? Guys, this girl is checking if we have that
Life jacket.
and that survival kit like the
That is from up. I can't
that
check that.
who knows where will come. So, what the hell? Girl. See this?
Which?
In the middle because I'm cold. Between two hot people and what to do?
There, yeah.
और
We are
छोटे
going
बैग्स
to
को
fly
सामने
to
वाली सीट
Bangkok,
के नीचे
guys.
रखें। कृपया अपनी सीट पर
Bangkok, we
बैठ
are
जाएं
coming,
और
guys.
प्रस्थान के लिए आयल को खाली रखें। धन्यवाद। Welcome to Indigo. We would love to take off with you at the earliest.
Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on flight.
Including life vests and tampering with exit.
Actually, we can travel.
Yeah, time traveled one now. We are in future right now. So it is 10 o'clock there, but it is 11 o'clock here. And
But in my phone it's only 11:29 and in their phone it's like 12.
so we have immigration now, and then only we can go out, and then we can get freshen up and take rest. And I don't know. Good morning. Good morning, India. We are not in India. We are in Bangkok. Yeah.
Like here, people are like, they have that Bangkok face.
Yeah. Like me, thinking.
Yeah.
Like me. Outfit is outfitting. I put some jewelries on this blush.
Jewels are jewelry.
Jewels are jewelry, guys.
Blush is blushing.
I'm not able to find it.
It's full concrete structure. White hair is so good. Girls are so gorgeous, man. We can't stop watching them. They're so pretty, so pretty. Now we came to KFC. We're going to have something. According to Varsha, KFC here is so yummy. So we are gonna have KFC.
More sweet.
มัทฉะลาเต้3 แก้วหวาน 50 จ้า
Having matcha from KFC.
What is this
And this shrimp donut thing is so good, guys. It is so yummy and so tasty.
You can see this shrimp here. We have never
Yeah.
eaten in KFC.
And in this there's sauce that is also
Chili sauce.
so good, so good. And this matcha, I love this matcha. I am a matcha girly now. Oh my god, we came here, we had KFC and everything, then we are waiting for other people to come. But the thing is, they did not, we were not getting to know who is going to pick us and also anyway Varsha found out the person who is going to take us, but then the communication issues, they are saying, they are speaking, what's the language? They're speaking Thai only.
Thai, yeah.
Yeah, so they're speaking in Thai and we're in English. So he did that app, no, that translates. So he trying to say something and then we understood when it comes with the translate. So Varsha put something, what we are three and the other was coming. Then he's like, oh. So he understood after that translation. Before he was not understanding anything, whatever we whatever we are speaking.
No, Thai, like Phuket.
Okay. Bangkok first, right?
Yeah, Bangkok.
We are on the way to our hotel. Guys, we reached the hotel and we are waiting for the daughters, but we have to go. The bag, my bag and Varsha's bag is in other car. But there's so many hot girls here. I can't stop watching them. What the heck? See how they're looking.
It is too fun. Ellaru vlog ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. It is too fun to vlog.
We really like the aesthetic of this hotel, yeah. It's so gorgeous and pretty, so pretty. Stuff and this flower. Oh, it's cold tea?
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, I thought it's hot. Okay,
No,
okay.
it's cold. It's for the hot weather.
Okay. It smells like wine, no? You drink it? Come on. You drink? No. I don't drink. You drink?
My mother used to give me the cup syrup.
Oh no. No, it is actually good. It doesn't like, yeah, it is so good. It is like a crack.
It smells bad.
You don't like it? Guys, cheers. Roast tea. This is roast tea. We are having roast tea. I want that to fall in your shirt. Yeah, it's red and your t-shirt is white. And I hope. Just.
And then you go down.
Tired? Okay, let's go. Khicho, chalo. What? 2103. Room. This is me. Abe, unlock, yeah. It's the key.
I'll not unlock because you'll do.
How will I do? You unlock, yeah.
I'll unlock.
Okay, we'll keep the luggages outside and we'll just go and see the room.
Wait.
Keep it.
We'll first only we'll take all nice video and then because we'll mess it.
Yeah.
And then.
What is this?
Oh. I thought this is the room.
It's so nice. It's so nice.
Oh, nice. Oh, it has this kitchen.
And a fridge.
Oh, we can make coffee.
Coffee maker.
Yeah, it's so cute.
No, look at it. We have got glass. We have got bathroom.
Wow. See, we have bathtub, guys. Okay.
How it is nice. No, like see.
But it should be the jacuzzi. Then we could have.
There's a jacuzzi also. Like not in this.
This is a bathtub. And
Then we
okay.
have a room.
And we have a fridge and this.
Wow, but we need to join it, I guess.
Oh my god.
Yay, this mirror is good.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Oh.
In my pocket.
Nice. Okay. Okay.
Oh, yay! All selfies now. You turn it to selfies.
Yeah.
Try to turn it to selfies. Okay, every camera is rolling
Not
now.
a light.
Yay! Yeah, we are the most excited people in this trip, you know? Because we three are together. Shaba shaba, bala bala.
Yeah, but
I'm happy.
Get down, girls, come.
What are you doing?
1, 2.
This looks so cool.
What is
Yay!
At my home, it is the same wooden chair.
We came to a restaurant to have food and now we are ordering food. Look at Chaitu, so pretty.
No egg also. No egg. No egg.
Egg.
No egg.
Only tomato sauce, garlic. Yes.
She's a vegetarian, so she have to be very particular about it. Oh, look at this girl, so pretty.
Like here, it is good. It is like young coconut. Yeah, I like it.
girl want cockroach fry. All this bullshit fry. What is this? Grasshopper fry. What do you want to do? You want to have? Octopus. Squid. I really don't have any idea how can people have all these cockroaches and snails and octopus and it smells so bad. It looks so bad. It is yuck like anything. Blah blah blah. You want to have? You want to have?
No way. I'm vegetarian.
When did that happen?
For today, videos for you here and the photos here, then we'll do. Two? 90 baht?
Why no? So cute. What I should take for shoe? What I took this 3.
Yeah.
Any 3?
What do you have?
2 which one?
Put some clips.
What clip?
This is also nice, no? You have clip?
I have lot of clips though. I'm not using. I lot have. This is mango. This is Thai milk.
Thai milk.
And mango. What is this?
Good.
This is so good, yeah. So we came back. So I'm so tired now. I have to edit some videos. And look at this. What is happening here? Look at this girl shooting. Shooting or disco. Full vibes. Oh my god. This crazy girl in here. So see all this mess. I have to clear up everything.
Hey, can we post stuff with this dress?
Yeah, I'll get fresh now. Guys, see my name in the TV. See, she's sleeping with the camera. She's fixing her nails. Yeah. Good night, guys. I'm editing and I'll go to bed after some time. You guys, good night. Bye.